Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Let me check whether I'm audible to all of you, yes or no. Yes, am I audible? Please confirm. Am I audible? Yes, I think everything is fine. Yes, fine. So guys, let me just share the link and let them say. Hi Abhishek, how are you? Okay. So guys, that's very good. So guys, before starting the class, hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you guys are good, great. So let me start my class. So before starting the class, let me show you the batches which we are launching. First, we have NIACL AO 2026-27. These are the faculties, a foundation batch we have launched. As you can see, I can also show you in the single slide. So this is basically you can just have a look, and I can just make this large. Okay, so you can see we have Agnimitra Utkarsh sir. Okay, we have Agnimitra, we have Utkarsh sir. The offerings are pretty much clear. The offerings are pretty much clear, everyone, that you should have an 350 live and video lectures, detailed coverage of advanced topic, test plus AI analysis, and 360 study kit also. But this is for NIACLAO 26-27 foundation batch. Also, we have Achievers batch, which is for IBPS PO and IBPS PO aspirant, those who are preparing for 26-27. Those who are preparing for 26-27. Okay. Uh, in the medium is basically English. Here the same faculties are there. The offerings are basically same. We have 350 live videos. We have 350 live videos, detailed coverage, test plus AI, and 360 study kit as well. Now again, we also have Achievers batch, which the demo class I have taken today, which have been started as well. So SBI PO 26-27, 350 offerings are same, teachers are same. Okay, so whatever batch you want, you can join us. Before starting, guys, you can also go to our Oliveboard Super Elite one for all batch. You can get everything in our banking super elite, access to all the insurance classes or bank classes, 3000 plus classes, 2000 plus test, reattempt test enables, what not. You are getting like everything. Okay, secondly, I would say that the very important point, again sir, every night you come and say the strategy or the winning, today's winning strategy or the agenda is that, guys, again, you should be very positive, because I know there's a delay in the notification, but you should be very positive. Again, today I'll add up one more word, which is positivity. Okay, positivity. And then the second word, as I say always, that is consistency. So you guys have consistency and positivity, nobody can stop you. Okay, so this comes under the package. So guys, now these are the things which I have started. Now let us come to the course, means what I'm teaching you right now. Today basically there's a class, a pie chart. Okay, so pie chart, in pie chart, this is basically what happens. See, pie chart, guys, something total will be is given to you, as all of you know that something total is given to you. Okay, of the total, either you need to convert that in percentage or you need to convert that in degree. Okay, vice versa happens, guys. Okay, vice versa happens. Means most of the pie chart you have a bifurcation like this. If you can't count this in percentage, that would be 100%. If you count this in degree, that would be 360-degree. Both are equal. Or in some cases, the total revenue, total cost would be equal to the percentage or the degrees. Let me show you the question. Okay, so should I start the class? Come on, say yes. Everybody, come on, give a pledge. Yes, please say fast. Should I start the class, everyone? Say fast, come on. Should I start? Write down yes, everybody. Yes, okay. Only one yes? Why only one yes? I want that everyone should answer. Come on, give me yes. Okay, that's fine. So guys, you can read the question first of all. This is LIC. Okay, you can read the question first of all. This is a pie chart. Okay, so this is a pie chart basically. I hope this is visible to all of you. Please read. The pie chart represents the percentage of failed student in different sections of LIC mains exam. So we have percentage of failed students in different sections of LIC mains exam 2026. Total number of failed candidate is given to me 144,000. And you have a first question. If the total number of candidate who failed in LIC, I would say, sorry, it is a mistake, guys. LIC mains exam is only 24% of the total number of candidates who appeared for the LIC pre-exam. This is your for the mains exam. Okay, keep in mind. Come on, answer me all. If you can answer me this question fast. Anybody? Read the question carefully and then answer. And do share the session, all of you. Please, guys, do share the session. It's been required by all of you to share the session. Come on. I'll explain slowly that all of you can understand what the question is saying, how you need to answer. Everything I'll answer. Okay, just wait. Anybody? Anyone? Okay, I will be aside because you guys are solving this, so I will be side. Please solve. Just let me share the session. Okay, I hope so. You got the enough time. How to answer this question? First of all, let me just, I think I should start. So guys, don't write down. Okay, don't write down. Means just concentrate. Okay, I hope. So we have bifurcation is maths is 11%. Now English is 27%. This is 28%. This is 22%. This is 7%. This is computer is 5%. Now just listen me, guys. Now what you guys do a mistake in all of the means maximum student do a mistake. They started finding out the exact value. You know, they go for like 27% of 144,000, which is not required, everyone, because you need to multiply this bigger number. It will take time. Again, don't, if this is multiple of this now, means if it is getting like easily multiply, then you need to figure it out the value. If it's not getting easily multiplied, don't waste your time. If it will be like, if there is no chance that, okay, I need to calculate only, then I'll calculate. Just read the question. They are saying that, okay, question is of if condition. Maybe for this question you calculate all the things, and in other question it has not been required. Just for a reference, I am just showing you. See, in the second question, what is the difference between the number of candidates who failed in the reasoning and maths together and the number of candidates who failed in the English section? In this question, not exact value is not required. Now you will say, how, sir? I'll make you solve. I'll give you the reason why it is not required. Okay, don't waste your time. Just see that how we can solve the question. First of all, again, the process is very, very important. If you don't follow the process, then it would be not correct. Let me guys go for it. Okay, now see, first of all, everybody please focus. They are saying that if the total number of candidates who failed in LIC mains exam is 24% of total number of candidates who appeared. Now LIC mains exam failed is how much? You know, LIC mains exam failed is basically how much, which is 1440. So can I say this is 24% would be equal to 144000. Now if you have a quick understanding, 24 into 600 would give you what? 1440, correct? Then 100%, because you don't know the pre-exam, the total number of candidate. So 100% would be how much? It would be how much? It would be 60000. One more zero, correct? Means it would be 6 lakh. Correct, everyone? Make sense? Is this clear? Now they're asking that then the total number of candidate who appeared in the LIC pre-exam. Okay, LIC pre-exam is approximately, total number of candidate appeared in the LIC pre-exam is 6 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 divided by is the approximately how much times the number of candidate who failed in the English section of mains exam. English section is basically 27%. So 144000 multiplied by 27%. From this percent, this 000 will cancel out. From this 0, this 0 will cancel out. Is this clear? I hope so. This much is clear. I'm just explaining all of you to see that how the answer is coming. Is this clear? Come on, say. Make sense, everyone? This will go 12 times. This will go 5000. Correct? This will go 3 times. This will go how much? 4 3 times, na? 4 3 times, and this will go 1 time, 2 times, 5 times, 0 times. Okay? Okay. Is this fine? So this will be like, this will be something 1250 is what? Of 27 into 3 is basically 81. Okay. Now you need to understand that 81 times how much gives me 1250? Either 23 times, either 15 times, either 28 times, either 30 times. See, you can eliminate 30 times, cannot give the answer. You can directly multiply 21 into 30 would not land up to 1250. Now let's see, if 30 not land up, 28 cannot land up. Okay. Either 15 would be the answer or 23 would be the answer. Let's take 15. If you go for 15, 81 into 15, come on, say. If you go for 81 into 15, it is 5, it is 1, it is 5, it is again, it has a 40, this is 0, this is 1, 0. Okay, you land up to, like approximately you land up to 15%, 15 times. Okay. So the correct answer would be 15 times. Understood? Everyone got this point? How I solve this question? Please say. Everyone got this point? How I got the answer? You want me to explain one more time? Please say, I'll explain it one more time. If you want me to explain this one more time, I'll explain one more time. Anyone in the class? Come on, say. Robin, Yajini, you got this? Robin, Yajini, you got this? Clear? Anybody is having doubt? Clear, sir. Okay. That's fine. Let's go for question number. As I said, now do not follow the all parts first, because this is a pre-level pie chart. You need to understand that you don't need that much of calculation here. If needed, I'm saying that you should do it. If not, please don't do it. Let's go for second question. Okay, let's go for this one. Now, can you solve? Just come on fast, guys. Just answer me if you can solve. Do share the session, everyone. Do share this session to all of your friends. Come on, try this. The pie chart represents the percentage of failed. Again, the all paths are same. You should keep in touch with the question. Let me share the link. I hope you guys will share the link, but you haven't. So I need to share it. Let me share it. A. Okay. Okay. Now come on, answer me. If somebody do a blunder mistake while finding out all the exact value, that would be making sense? No, na. What is the difference between the number of failed candidates? Now here you can only use the percentage. Failed candidate in reasoning and maths. Maths is 11%. Reasoning is basically how much? 22%. 11 plus this becomes 33. So 22 plus 11 is that 33%. Okay, fine. And the number of candidates who failed in English, which is 27%. Okay, English is 27 minus 27%. Okay, so guys, how much you will get? You are very smart at it. 6%. So 6% of what? 6% of. Okay, I would don't write the off part. So can I say 6% multiplied by 144,000? This percent 00 will cancelled out. Now 6 4s are 24. At last you will have a 4. Now see guys, see the imagine 6 4s are 24. Last you will have 4 with 1 0. Last you will have 4 with 1 0. This contain 4? No. This contain 4? No. This contain 4? No. This contain 4? No. My answer is option number A. Have I solved? Have I solved anything? Come on, say. This is the important thing. These are the techniques that you guys need to do. Now, the options are like that. Why would I calculate? Being a successful aspirant is a combination of all the things. Means when you look over the question, you have that much of common sense that, okay, options are not similar, sir. So I can also apply the option elimination method to solve the question. Everyone is getting my point? Everyone is getting my point, how I solve this problem? I hope this is clear. Let's go for next one. Come on. Solve. Do it. Let me make it large now so that you guys, this should be visible to all of you. You know, those who are not joining the class now, they are missing many things, you know. They are missing these techniques, I would say. I'm not giving you the timers because, you know, there's a reason behind it. The reason is that because I'm solving pre-level DI for the first time on the YouTube, so I want that everyone should answer. Do share the session to all of your friends, please. Do share the session to all of your friends so that they can join the class. Do share it. Yash Pranay Kumar. Okay, sir. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you, Pranay. Thank you, Yash. Yash also came. Okay, that's fine. Let me try. How can we solve? The total number of candidates who failed in the LIC mains exam is 75%. Okay. But guys, you know, there's a, now see, the technique is important, that how we are looking towards the question. Okay. Now, can I say from here that 75% is failed? 75% is basically equal to 14000. Now see, 14000. Try to understand that what we are doing. Okay. 75% would be equal to 14000. Okay, fine. If they are failed, then automatically all is 100%. Then the pass would be 25%. Okay. Now, when I write 25% are pass, I also have in back of my mind, I have one thing running, which is, you know what? 25 is to 75. The ratio part is, this is 3 is to 1. Now, you would say, sir, why you calculated this 3 is to 1? The point is that 75% of 14000 is very like complicated, but can I say that 3 part is basically equal to 144,000? 3 part is equal to 144,000. Then 1 part would be equal to, directly you can say 4800, isn't it? Not 000, it's a 000. Fine. Why I calculated the 1 part? Let me see that whether it's a useful or not. 75 candidate for the same exam. If final selection will be 1/4 of the candidate who qualified in the mains exam. This is the candidate who qualified, 1/4 of it. This is the answer. That's done, which is 1200. Understood? Come on, say. Understood? So this is how you can approach towards this kind of problem. Everybody. Let me figure it out. Next one. Thank you. Please try this. Please try. Do like the session. Please, everyone, do like the session. Come on. Please try this question. It's 1/2. Very good. First answer I got 1/2. That's amazing. Amazing, by the way. First answer I got, because you have an option. Come on, this answer should be this question should be answered by everyone. What is the ratio of number of candidates who failed in the science and reasoning together to the science and reasoning? So you'll go for science and reasoning. 22, 28, 50%, isn't it? So first write down 50%. Okay. Okay. To the number of candidates who failed overall in the mains exam. Overall, all is what? 100% is to 100%. Correct? Percentage. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 100, 1 is to 2 is the answer. I think this is the easiest part that everyone can have. I hope you guys have understood this. Now guys, come on. I'll give you because we'll not stick to the one pie chart. This is in homework, everyone. Okay. When the class will end up, you can comment in the comment section that what is the answer of this question. Okay. Just my point is you can answer in the comment box that what is the answer. Let's switch to some other pie chart. So to have a learning from there. So let's come to some other pie chart. Okay. Now see, I hope this is visible. Please have a look. Read out properly. I think data is not visible to everybody. Let me say that data is visible or not. This is 540. This is 36 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 72 degree. This is 10 degree. This is 108 degree. Okay. So come on, read out the first. Read out this one first. Don't forget to answer that question when I'll end up the class. You guys need to answer that question. Now, as I said, previous question was in the percentage. This question is not in terms of percentage. Okay, let me just understand everyone. Take your time, try to understand the question. The given pie chart shows the distribution either in degree or in actual value of, okay, because this is the actual value they have said. They have said this is the actual value. Okay, try to understand. Of the total number of type A novels sold by the shopkeeper in the given 5 different months, out of the total number of type A novels sold by him in the given 5 months. Okay, note, total number of novels sold in a given month equals to number of type A novels sold plus number of type B novels sold. So basically in a month they are selling out 2 novels, novel A and novel B, and the selling of the novel basically they have given in the degrees form. First of all, can I convert this in the degree form? Now the objective is what? It's 450. It's 450. Okay, 450 guys. Now first of all, everyone, when you see these kinds of number like 108, like 10, 72, 90 or any other number, let me just make you understand. If you see any of the numbers which are a multiple of 18, please see. If you'll see now, let me write down 108. Let me write down here 108, 10, 72, 90, 10, 72, 90. Is this 10 only? Yes, 10 degree, 72, 90, 36 and 450. 36 and 450. So 36 and 450. Okay. Now see, the logic is that sum of the numbers, if you'll get like sum of the numbers. So guys, now I hope this everyone is getting which we this is clear. This is 108. This is not. This is 72, 90, 36. Okay, fine. Okay. Irrespective of 10, if suppose I don't write down 10 over here, I think the graph is something how, if you just I'll try to learn the things. If this is, I eliminate this 10, then can you say that all the numbers are multiple of 18? Means they are basically get divided by 18. So can I change out these things? First of all, this is in percentage. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, not an issue, because we have red color, we have June, we have May, we have April, we have March. This is not we don't have this 10 degree. Okay, we don't have this 10 degree, sorry for that. So if the numbers are in multiple of 18, can we convert this into the percentage form? Yes, why not? Just multiply this by 5 by 18. See what I am saying? If numbers are in multiple of 18, what you need to do? You need to multiply this number by 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Multiply this number by 5 by 18. Multiply this number by 5 by 18. Multiply this number by 5 by 18. Isn't it, everyone? Is this clear? Come on, say. Is this clear? Now you would say, sir, why don't you have calculated this for 450? No need. Because I know that if I calculate the percentage, total is 100%. I'll subtract other part. Correct? I'll subtract other part. Wait. 108 into 5 by 6 months, but legend shows 5 months. Yes, you are. I think Yash, you are saying something. Yash, can you say something? Is it? Yes, yes. Yes, you want to say something? 6 months, but legend shows 5 months means? Yes, Sharma. Okay, fine. So now, can you say that 108 into 5 by 18 is how much? Fast, everyone. 108 into 5 by 18 is what? Can I say this is 30%? Just have a look. Learn slowly. What is that? Come on, say. 108 into 5 by 18. Everyone, come on, answer me fast. 30%. That's very good. Very good. Now, 72 into 5 by 18 is what? Fast. 20%. 4 times. 90 into 5 by 18 is what? 25%. 5 times. Okay. Now, 36 into 5 by 10 is what? Come on, 36 into 5 by 10 is what? 10%. Now, come on, say. Now, see how you can figure it out. 10, 20, 50, 50, 60, 50 and 60 and 60, 70, 80, 85 is there. So, out of 100, you got 85%. Say fast, yes or no? Out of 100, you got 85%. How much is remaining? 15%. So, can I say that 15% would be equal to how much? 450. If 15% is equal to 450, then the multiplier is what? What is the multiplier? Say fast. Now, you would understand that, guys, you have calculated all the things, which is 30. 30 is the multiplier. Now, can I say you can get the all values? Now, before starting the DI, see, my point is that I can give you the question and then start solving it. But the problem is that that is not the solution. Solution is that you should see the things that how the DI is being done. Everyone, is this understood? Now, the point is that, now see, if somebody will see this kind of pie chart, he would be very much scared that, okay, first I need to calculate into the percentage form. As I say, whenever you see such kind of DI, just observe one thing, that is it they are multiple of 18? If they are multiple of 18, just do 5 by 18. Just do 5 by 18. 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 5 by 18. Remaining 100%, 85% minus, and you can get the answer of each part. Now, if they have given the exact value, one question they will ask from the exact value. Don't calculate and sit and calculate each and every value. Just go for the question and then solve. Understood? See the question number 1. Now, come on, guys. If you can answer, this is the question. Come on. I hope this will be visible. Everyone, this question is easy, guys. Come on, answer me. This question is quite easy. Only Yash had answered this question. Yash Sharma has answered the question. I want that all of you should answer. Not only Yash, but all of you should answer. Read that. You want to see the graph, then you can go there, okay? If you want to see the graph, this is basically the graph. Please note down the values. If you haven't note down the values, my request is please note down the values. This is my exact DI. Note it down. Come on, Yajani, Yash. Come on, note it down. The values. Say. Yeah, अजीब तो है. Come on, then answer. Yeah. When you will come from the exam, you'll find it like, okay, it's very like different kind of DI. Total number of type A novels sold in March and May together. Type A, March and May together. March and May. Come on, March and May. How much? It's 144. Let it be in degree. Is 2. How much percent number of type A novels sold in July? It is 72. Now come on, this is very easy. This is 1:2. How much percent increment? Come on guys, how much percent increment? You have noted down. Answer me, Ajani. It's a 50%, 100%, 150% or 200%. It's a 200% basically. Yup, it's basically 200%. Let's go for next one. Come on, try. Oof. Good question. A very good question, I would say. Number of type B novels sold in April is 80% more than the number of type A novels sold in same month. April, 80%. April, 80%. First you need to go April, which is 450. So just make it like this. April, write down. April, 450. 80% increment means what? 80% means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 810 would be there, okay? Is sold in the same month. Find the total number of novels sold in May if, now they're asking about the May, if the percentage distribution of type B novels sold in the same as a novel A. Now they are saying that this is same as a novel A and B. So same A plus B. Now anyone can calculate it. Come on, say. May, novel A. This is the question. I've done the first part. You need to do the second part. I have done the first part. You need to do the second part. Try guys. Try guys if you're there. Are you there? Trying? Come on, say. Try. Now you need to go for May. 10 degree what equal to how much? May. And this is the same. 36 degree na. Sorry, May was 36. Sorry. May was, guys, this is another. May was 36 degree. So 36 degree was how much? 10%. And 10% multiplied by 30 will give you 300. So in May it was 300. Makes sense? Very good. In May, see, in May it was 300. Correct? Try to get the point. But in April, novel B is how much? April is how much? 450 means 15%. So if this is 15%, 15% is equal to how much? 810. Try to get this point. 15% is 810. Then this would be how much? Come on, say. This should be how much? 15% is 810. This would be also 15%. 15% of this is how much? Come on, say. 3 part is, yeah, 15% is. Then this would be 540. I would say this is 540. They're asking find the total number of novels sold in May. 840 would be the answer. None of these is the answer. Understood? Come on, say everyone. Understood? 15% means it is 100 is to 150 na. So this is 2 is to 3 na. If 3 is 840, 2 will be how much? 540. This I have done. Is this clear? This was a good question, I would say. And this is the content level, everybody. So you are trying to solve this kind of question in the class. As I said, please, you need to understand that what kind of question we are solving here. Everyone understood? Come on. Yajini. Should I explain this again? Again, I am saying, first I got the April data, which is 450. I've done 80% to it, and 80% got me 810, okay? In May, I got A, which is 36, which was 10%. So I multiplied the exact, which is 30, which gives me 300, okay? Now, 810 is basically 15%. 810 is basically 15%. So if 15% is 810, 100% would be how much? 100% would be 540. So I have written 100% by 540. They are asking the May sum. 300 plus 540 is 840. So if you're not getting, please ask. So answer would be none of these. Okay, try this. Come on, this is the last one. Everyone, just answer me in the comment section. Fast. I'm not going to solve this, but you need to answer. Fast. The ratio of type B, type A sold in is 22 is to 25 respectively. So they have given it is 22 to 25, okay? Then number of type B sold in June is how much? June is basically how much? So go for June. June is basically how much? 90. How much percent? 20. 2 more. 30. Yeah, that's very good. Easy question. A very easy question again, I would say. Very good. Everyone, this is what? 22 is to 25. Write down. 22. Now this is the last question. 22 is to 25. Okay, fine. They are saying a novel B, type A and type B sold in June. Correct, na? So it's B by A. Okay, 22 is to 25, correct? Now, let us say this is 22% and this is 25%. It will not make any difference. But you go for June. June is how much? 90. 90 was how much percent? 20%. Correct now? Because 5 by 18, 18 5s are 5 2s are 10, 20%. So 20%, how much more is there? 2%. 2% means multiplier is how much? Into 30. So 2 into 30 would give me how much? 60. Clear? That was an easiest part to answer the question. So guys, every day we are coming, I am coming, everyone, every day I am coming up with a new set of questions, guiding you to the new approach. Slowly we'll study. We'll not go in a fast way. My point is just to make you understand, see that these kind of questions are basically important and the approach is very important. See, it is not important that how much question you're solving. When you're giving a pre-examination, I'm not talking about the mains, because in mains you have a time, so you can like in spite, and the cutoff is also like not so high, so there you get a time. But in the pre, the important thing is that you should have a speed and then the correct approach. Point is that when you're solving any of the DIs or any of the quant question, again, as I eliminated the option, you have seen. Now, I'm not saying that every question can be eliminated, but the point is that if it is getting eliminated, why we are solving it? Correct. That will not add up. If you solve, they will not give me the extra marks. So everyone, these things are very important. These are very small things, but it keep changes, right? It gives you the change. It gives you the confidence when you score good marks in the mocks. So I hope these things are really helping you. My classes are really helping you and pushing towards your success. Till then, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Answer me the question which I have given you the homework in the comment section. I hope that you enjoyed it. Keep shining and keep learning. God bless you guys, and see you tomorrow at the same time at 10 p.m. We'll study. I think tomorrow we have simplification class again. So we'll solve some of the simplification questions with a new approach. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Shining off, Agnimitra. Bye everyone. Bye guys. Let me show you that batch. So this is the batch detail.